Hi guys, welcome to Destination Motorhomes. I'm Mia.
And I'm Tom, and today we're going to show you around some of our Coachman stock.
Let's go have a look. First of all, we have this Coachman Travel Master Imperial 845. There's only 2 of these for sale in the UK, and we have both. This Imperial comes with an electric drop-down bed and this comfy dining area, perfect for a cup of tea.
Cheers.
And we can't forget about this comfy island bed at the rear. If it's just the 2 of you going away, then the Sportivo 565 is the one for you.
At the front, we have a fantastic lounge. We have a well-designed kitchen and a perfect bed setup at the back.
It can be used as 2 singles or a big double. If you prefer a Fiat chassis, then the Aventura is for you. Let's go take a look inside. In the front, we have this lovely lounge area which easily converts into a double bed. To my left, we also have this kitchen. We've got your sink, hob, oven and a microwave. And also we can't forget the ambient lighting.
And in the rear, we have this spacious island bed. We have a separate shower and a separate bathroom.
If a new vehicle isn't for you, we also have this 2023 plate Coachman Travel Master 545. First of all, we have this really comfy lounge area.
And with no compromise on luxury, this is a great example of what you can get.
Here at Destination Motorhomes, we have over 120 vans and motorhomes in stock, so I'm sure we'll have the one for you.
And if you do want any more information on any of our vehicles, check out our website, destinationmotorhomes.co.uk, or give us a call.
Bye!